Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal Minick, and in this video I'm going to do a thrift store transformation. The first thing I'm going to do is take off the fabric underneath. It has a lot of layers, so I just want the front straps on. I'm going to seam rip the fabric around the collar and then take off the sleeves. When I'm going to change something up, I first try to experiment and see all the different ways I can make them to see what I like better. I couldn't decide between the romper or the dress, so I did a poll on Instagram and the majority was for the romper, so that's what I went with. Once I found the center of the front and the back, I slid down the middle and then I used a sewing pattern to get the shape of the pants. So once you cut the front and the back, you're just going to match up the ends together, and those are going to close up the leg parts on the inside. Since the dress was really loose, I'm just going to cut this piece in the middle and then sew the ends together. So I probably should have not taken that middle piece off because now I've gained weight and it doesn't fit me that well. It's really tight. Since we took off that middle piece from the front, now we have to reconstruct the top to look like before. Once I get this piece straight, I'm just going to hem the edge and then I'm going to attach the straps to the corners of that straight line. For the straps, I'm just going to do a quick stitch so it can be a little bit gathered. So it is a year later and obviously now it doesn't fit me like before, but I hope you guys like how it came out. Let me know what you guys think and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.